Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this channel we always keep on looking for ways in order to make your Excel work easy and fun, in order to make your data entry work easy and fun. So today's video we're going to look at how we can stay in the same cell in order to format that cell after typing in Excel. How we can stay in the same cell and format the cell. So recall that in Excel, once you type something, for you to format it, you need to go outside the cell, go back to the cell in order to format that particular active cell. So in this video, I want to show you two ways you can use to remain on the same cell in order to format the cell after typing. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the red bell subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to your friends and families. Also leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to you as soon as possible. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so in today's video, let's look at normally in Microsoft Excel, when you type in something like welcome, for me to format this welcome, I need to click outside the active cell, go back to the cell in order to remove the blinking cursor. So I can now format this by increasing it. You can do anything to it now, giving it font, background color, font color, and stuff like that. So how can I do this without clicking outside the cell and clicking back into the cell? So what you need to do is just go to any cell of your choice where you're typing, Pew class. Okay, remember to subscribe. Once you type this, you can see it's blinking here, so I can't format this cell. All you need to do is to use a cell combination, a keyboard combination, which is the Control and the Enter. So you're gonna press it together. You hold down the Control key and press Enter. Once you do that, this cell will be active for formatting. So I'm going to do that now. Control Enter. Once you do that, you can see that the blinking cursor is no longer blinking. It's now active for you to format it. So I have to go. I cannot format it, cannot do anything to it. Okay, I can increase it. You can see that. But if you don't do this, you're not going to be able to do this unless you go outside, click outside the active cell, go back in. So this is one way you can remain on the same cell in order to format it. Another method is this. Now we said that when you type in something, for you to format this, you need to click outside and click back to the active cell for you to format it. So the other way you can do this is, okay, when I type like this video, okay, the other way you can do this is to go to file, click on your file, go to option, click on options, dialog box appears, go to advanced. Once you click on advanced, you're going to see after pressing enter, move selection. Now this cell will be active, this particular cell will be active here. So for your own it will be active. You can have it to be active as right, up, left, but normally in our Excel is active as down. So for you to do this, you have to uncheck this box, uncheck the box. Once you uncheck this box, you click on OK. Once you've done that, this cell will be active for formatting. You can then format it, or once you've done that, anything you type, once you've deselected it, anything you type here now, you just hit on enter, it will be active for you to format. You can see that it will be active for you to format. You can see that once you deselect it, anything you type, you click on enter, it will automatically be active for you to format. So this is basically how you can remain on the same cell while typing in order to format the given cell. So the next video we're going to look at how to stay on the same cell while typing, after pressing the enter key in order to type in more words. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the red bell subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because in this channel I will be dropping fun ways for you to use Microsoft Excel. So see you next time. Thank you.